Hello, my name is Shannon, and I belong to this group, switchtoamerica.com. We are just a bunch of regular people. We are moms, we are dads, we are aunts and uncles, grandmas and grandpas, even. And we've decided to link arms. We've been on this mission now for 2 years, if you can believe it. We have experienced such explosive growth over here. It's incredible what we are doing. We are linking arms. We are moving our dollars away from the deep state, the cabal owned companies, BlackRock. And if this means anything to you, then you need to hear me out right now. We are inviting you to come and make the switch with us. We are switching our dollars over. We are no longer spending money in their stores. This is a massive movement. And if you would like to, you can come check us out for free. We're going to give you a free tour of our Patriot Factory so you can come see what we're all about. It's all natural, it's non toxic, it's better for you. It's a place where we're not being poisoned, where we have you been experiencing the inflation? We're not seeing inflation on the inside of our doors over here. Everything is super affordable. It's fun. And we're linking arms together in a different way. Come check us out. I invite you to click on that link, switchtoamerica.com right now, and we will see you on the inside.